This is how you erase remote codes and recode your remotes into a Gliderol Genesis garage door motor. So at the moment these remotes work just fine, but the customer has lost one. So we're going to erase the memory by holding the button that says code. Press the code button in until the 2 dots appear and keep holding for about 8 seconds. This will erase all remotes from the system. Now the 2 lights have disappeared, the remotes should be erased from the system. We'll just check the second remote. Alright, so all remotes have been confirmed erased. Now let's program these remotes back in to the Gliderol Genesis. Now press the code button once, 2 dots appear on the screen, and now hold your remote button down. The dots will flash and disappear, and now this remote should be programmed back into the opener, which it is. All right, we'll check the second remote. That one's not programmed in yet. So once the door stops, press the code button once, 2 dots appear, hold down your remote, the 2 dots flash and disappear. Now we have our second remote programmed in. So there you go, that's how you program and erase remotes from your Gliderol Genesis garage door opener. Beauty!
I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.